Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial. This tutorial is about an oval base. So the oval base is actually if you take a round base and then you just divide it by 2, and then in the middle you make how many stitches you will need for the length. Basically this is the idea of the oval base. I did this oval base and here I have the pattern for 8 rounds. And I am going to do it for you step by step, and for this I used cotton by 2. This kind of pattern and this kind of counting goes very well with this kind of thickness, cotton by 2, and maybe also with a t-shirt yarn this kind of counting will work as well, but I can't say if it works for other kind of thicknesses because if it's more thin it might need more increases at the half circle. So if you are new to my channel, I have this kind of tutorials coming in twice a week, and just give me a thumbs up on your way out, and I hope you consider becoming a subscriber. And if you like my tutorials, just give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, follow me in social media, Instagram, Facebook, and to support my work you can check my Etsy shop. And also thank you for watching, so let's just get into it. I'm going to use for this project Catania in this color. It's like a very light blue, and I will drop the link in the description box. And of course I am going to use it by 2. Also I am going to use a 3mm hook. For this kind of thickness I usually use this hook. To start this project I will need 33 stitches. On the way back I am just going to do a single crochet on each stitch, so in total now I am going to do another 30 stitches. After finishing 30 stitches in the middle, now at the last stitch, the one that I left at the corner, I am going to do 3 single crochet in one stitch. A sign where these 3 stitches start. Okay, so this is the first round, I will call. Now I will start the second round. So for the second round I am going to do the V-stitch, and now I have to do 30 stitches with a V-stitch. The 30 stitches with a V-stitch, and now I am going to do the half circle, and I have 3 stitches here to do the half circle. So for the first round I had 3 stitches, and now for the second round in each stitch I am going to do 2 single crochet. going to repeat this pattern 2 more times. So this is the half circle, and now I am going to do the second half of the third round, which is the same. I will do 30 stitches with a V-stitch until the sign, and for the turning here I am going to follow the pattern 2 single crochet in 1 stitch for the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the second stitch, and I will repeat that another 2 times. So this is the pattern for the third round. Finished round number 3. Now we are going to continue with round number 4. So I will do 30 stitches until I have the sign with a V-stitch. For the half circle we are going to follow this pattern. First stitch, 1 single crochet. Second stitch, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. The third stitch, 1 single crochet in 1 stitch. And repeat this pattern 2 more times. And follow this pattern for the other second half. Now we will start round number 5, and round number 5. First I will do 30 stitches until the sign. After doing the 30 stitches, I am going to do the half circle. For the half circle, the pattern is like this. First stitch, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. The next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet on each. Because we have 3 increases for the half circle, so I am going to repeat this pattern 2 more times. This is the pattern for the first half, and now the second half I'm just going to repeat the same pattern 1 more time. 30 stitches for this part here, and then for the half circle I am going to repeat the pattern that I showed you for this side over here. I finished the 5th round of the oval base. I need 8 rounds, so I'm going to do another 3 more rounds, and for the other 3 I am just going to leave the pattern over here. I will write it for you, so you just follow that pattern for the next 3 rounds.